Jai Gurudev. Computer Science. Sri Gokulam Public School, Shangalpet. Standard 5. History of Computers by R. Vasudevan. Introduction. Human beings have always been innovative and throughout the years have invented and continue to invent things that help them to make their work easier and life more secure and happier. Smartphones, you are using smartphones, online banking, online transaction, online shopping, everything. So it work, human being work reduce and more secure and happier for the human beings. In fact, computers are the greatest invention of all time because they are used in almost all fields and for all purposes. The computer is a machine that works with data and information in the form of numbers. Whatever you are giving information or data, you are typing text or numbers, all the information converted into numbers. Caveman count. You know numbering with the fingers in first standard, second standard students and all, they are adding the multiplication, addition, subtraction using the fingers and toes. Similarly, the first counting is caveman count. Caveman count with the only counting tool, they know their fingers and toes. These are considered the first counting tools. Soon man realized that other objects needed to be used to keep up with larger numbers. So it is the basic of the fingering for counting. Then human beings converted with the help of the sticks, leaves the counting for the large numbers. Some of the other counting tools that have been used throughout time have been stones, knots on roping, and notches on sticks, notches on bones, tally sticks, to name just a few. People used these counting tools to count the positions and also to keep tracking of the passing of time. So it is they will use for the passing of time. It is evident how life has changed since technology has been introduced in human life. With the passage of time, the method of calculation also started to change. Abacus. In our school also you are using the abacus as one of the subject and also special activity. Abacus is a mental arithmetic. The history of computing device starts from about 5000 years ago in Babylon. With the birth of the abacus, a wooden rack holding two horizontal wires with beads strung on them. So it is made up of wooden rack. In between the wire will be there. In that beads will be used for counting. Abacus was the first device used for counting and calculating. It is made of a wooden frame, metal rods and wooden beads. Each bead has a specific value reading from right to left. The beads in the first are worth 1. In the second column, the beads are worth 10. In the third column, the beads are worth 100, etc. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions are performed by moving the appropriate beads to the middle of the abacus. Napier bones. Napier bones used for calculating multiplication and division. In the early 17th century, John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, invented another calculating tool. It is used marked strips of wood or bone side by side to multiply and divide. This tool became known as Napier bones. Pascaline. Pascaline is one of the automatic calculator. In 1642, a famous French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline. The Pascaline is known as the first mechanical and automatic calculator. The Pascaline was a wooden box that could only add and subtract by means of series of gears and wheels. Here the wheels and gears used for the addition and subtraction. It is made up of wooden frame. Each wheel rotated one revolution. It would then turn the neighboring wheel on the other wheels, were a series of windows through which the totals could be read. About 50 models were constructed and were made of wood, ivory, and copper. Difference engine. You know who is father of computer? Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage only invented difference engine. Difference engine is known as the first computer designed and partially built during the 1820s and 30s by Charles Babbage. Now he is the father of computer. The difference engine was more than a simple calculator. However, like modern computers, the difference engine had storage, that is a place where data could be held temporarily for later processing, and it was designed to stamp its output into soft material, which could later be used to produce a printing plate. Mark I. Mark I was designed in 1937 by a Harvard graduate student, Howard Aiken, to solve advanced mathematical physics problems encountered by him in his research. Mark I was originally called the Automatic Sequence Control Calculator by IBM and often referred to as the Harvard calculator when first installed in Cambridge in 1944. It started to be known as Mark I as its successor machine were built. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, the first programmable general purpose electronic digital computer built during World War II by the United States of America. It was the most powerful calculating device built to date. We are calculating the addition, subtraction, day, month to previous month. It was the first programmable general purpose electronic digital computer. It was the first programmable digital computer. It could be used for a wider range of problems. UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. It is an electronic computer containing thousands of vacuum tubes. You know vacuum tubes? It is a second generation of computer. Thousands of vacuum tubes that utilizes punch card and switches for inputting data. So what are they used for inputting data? Punch card and switches. Similarly, punch card for outputting and storage device. It was released in 1951 and 1952 when first developed by J. Presper Eckert and John Macleay. Modern computers. Nowadays people are using different types of computers. Desktop computer, laptop and tablets. Desktop computer. You know desktop computer? In our lab you are using the desktop computers. You are keeping in the desk, it is called as desktop computer. In homes, office, most people are using desktop computer. Laptop computer. Everyone know that laptop computer. It is a foldable and you can take anywhere wherever you need. So it is in very small in size. We are keeping the laptop in lab, so it is called as laptop computer. Tablet. Tablet is a very small electronic device. It is used for playing games, watching movies, listening songs. Mostly children are using tablet for education purpose. Kinds of computers: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer. So there are four kinds of computers: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer. Supercomputer. You know supercomputers? Yes. The supercomputers are very expensive and large in size. So it is very costly and big in size. It allocate one room. It can be accommodated in large air conditioned room. Some supercomputers can span an entire building. Supercomputers can span an entire building also. Some places it is very big size. Mostly it will be a big building. Supercomputers are used for space exploration, earthquake studies. During the natural disasters, it is very useful for supercomputers. Weather forecasting and nuclear weapon testing and all, they are using the supercomputer. Mainframe computer. It can be accommodated in large air conditioned room. It can also process and storage large amount of data. So mostly they use mainframe computer in banks and government department offices. Mini computer. Mini computers are used by small business and firms. Mini computers are also called mid-range computers. These are small machines and can be accommodated on a disk with not as much processing and data storage capabilities as supercomputers and mainframes. These computers are not designed for a single user, individual departments of a large company or organization. It is used for the big company and a production companies. Use mini computers for specific purposes. For example, a production department can use mini computer for monitoring certain products processes. Microcomputer. Types of different microcomputer: desktop computer, laptop, PDA, personal digital assistant, tablet, smartphones. The microcomputers are specially designed for general usage like entertainment, education and work purpose. The microcomputer are widely used and are fastly growing computers. Everyone know the microcomputer, desktop, laptop and tablets, smartphones. Summary. Cavemen counted with the only counting tools they knew that and tools. Abacus was the first device used for counting and calculating. In the early 17th century, John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, invented another calculating tool called Napier bones. The four basic types of computer are supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer. The mainframe computers can be accommodated in large air conditioned room because of its size. Quiz time. What is the full form of IBM? More to know. A form of manual counting used was knotted strings, sometimes known as a cupa. In the simplest form, knotted number strings are much the same as the simple tally sticks. Counting was the use of knotted strings has been found all over the world. The Inca Indians in particular were known for using the cupa. Factopedia. In 1642, Blaise Pascal, a famous French mathematician, invented the Pascaline to help make his father's job as a tax accountant easier. The machine is sometimes called the La Pascaline or Pascal machine. Thank you.